Could the rise of artificial intelligence be the catalyst that reshapes capitalism as we know it? Could we be on the brink of a paradigm shift where AI outsmarts human intelligence, becoming the most sought-after resource on Earth? Welcome to a journey that explores these thought-provoking questions. Imagine a tool that goes from 0 to 1 million users in just 5 days. This isn't a hypothetical scenario. It's the real-life story of ChatGPT, an AI tool that took the world by storm. This unprecedented growth rate is the fastest any platform has ever achieved, reaching the 1 million user mark. ChatGPT isn't just another AI tool. It's a testament to the sheer power and potential of artificial intelligence. It's a beacon that shines a light on the future of technology, a future where AI becomes an integral part of our lives, our societies, and our economies. But what does this mean for capitalism? Could AI redefine the very fabric of our economic systems? With ChatGPT, we're seeing a glimpse of what could be a new era of capitalism. An era where individuals can harness the power of AI to multiply their income by tenfold, where access to superintelligence becomes the most valuable commodity, where the rules of the game are rewritten by the players themselves. This is the future that ChatGPT points to. A future where AI doesn't just supplement human intelligence, but surpasses it. A future where the power dynamics of capitalism are turned on their head, creating a world where the most valuable resource isn't physical, but digital. In summary, ChatGPT's journey from 0 to 1 million users in just 5 days is a clear indication of AI's potential to revolutionize not just technology, but capitalism itself. It's a sign that we're on the cusp of a new era, an era where AI becomes the most valuable resource on Earth, where individuals can harness the power of AI to catapult their income, and where the very fabric of capitalism could be unraveled and redefined. Thank you for embarking on this journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI and capitalism, feel free to explore more thought-provoking content by visiting at Double Diamond Productions. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep imagining the future. Voiceover. If you've enjoyed this journey into the future of AI and capitalism, it's time for you to play an active part. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel at Double Diamond Productions. By doing so, you will not just be supporting us, but also ensuring that you stay updated with more thought-provoking content. We are living in exciting times, where the line between science fiction and reality is getting blurrier by the day. Through these videos, we aim to keep you at the forefront of this wave of change. But remember, the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create, and you are a part of that process. So, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead. The future really is in your hands. Until our next deep dive, keep imagining the future.